Making generalizations in English. Essential skills for TOEFL and IELTS. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into an essential skill for your TOEFL and IELTS preparation. Making generalizations. This is not just important for your exams, but it's a crucial part of everyday conversations in English. Let's explore. Making generalizations means making broad statements or ideas based on specific examples or evidence. It's a way to summarize or simplify information. But, remember, while generalizations can be useful, they shouldn't be too broad or ignore exceptions. For example, many people enjoy traveling. Books often provide deep insights. To make generalizations in English, we often use specific phrases. Knowing these can be very handy. 1. Generally speaking. 2. Generally speaking, children love candies. 3. Most of the time. 4. Most of the time, students appreciate feedback. 5. In most cases. 6. In most cases, the early bird catches the worm. 7. As a rule. 8. As a rule, libraries are quiet places. While generalizations can be useful, it's essential to avoid overgeneralizing. It might lead to misconceptions or stereotypes. Tip: always consider exceptions and be open to other perspectives. For instance, instead of saying, "all birds can fly," a more accurate statement might be, "many birds can fly." Now, let's practice together. Try to make generalizations based on these examples. 1. Elephants, giraffes, and whales are large animals. 2. Possible generalization. Many animals in the wild are massive in size. 3. Apples, bananas, and cherries are sweet. 4. Possible generalization. Fruits tend to be sweet. Practice this skill, and you'll improve not only your TOEFL and IELTS scores but also your everyday communication in English. Making generalizations is a valuable skill to master in English. We've covered what they are, how to frame them, and the importance of being precise. Keep practicing, and you'll become a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this session brought value to your English language journey. Until next time, happy learning!